Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this POCO smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Then you need to scroll all the way down and tap on location section. Over here, click on this blue sweater next to location access. And as you can see in this pop-up, when I click on close, location of my smartphone is disabled. In order to enable it, click on the same, now gray sweater. If you wish to, you can always go into tab menu instead, look for location shortcut here, and click on it. Then, in order to enable it, tap on the same one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!